This 150 square metre property is a rare find in this price range and a perfect example that you don't have to be extremely wealthy or settle for a renovation project to be able to afford a home near Lake Como. Located in the desirable hillside village of Plesio, it's within easy driving distance of Lake Lugano, Milan and Switzerland, and also very near the villages of Menaggio and Lugano. While currently habitable, there is room for improvement, mainly in the reception rooms. There are period features throughout, including Lombardy flooring, original fireplaces and ceiling frescoes, along with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. There is also a spacious outdoor courtyard, which is perfect for summertime entertaining. With an asking price of just €150,000, this will make a wonderful investment or forever home in the beautiful Italian Lake District. However, this is another one of those unique, great value properties that most likely won't last on the market long. Please see below for links to the original listing and Realtors' contact information, as well as how to subscribe for more properties like this in your inbox every week.